Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am doing something a little bit different that I haven't done yet. I am going to kind of do a get ready with me video, although I don't know if I'm fully going to add my entire face into the video. What I mean by that is I got a new foundation. What? It's crazy.
It's crazy.
You guys, okay. So I have had It Cosmetics foundation for a very long time. You can see it's like wearing away and all of that. I bought this a while ago. I got it on QVC. I like the SPF that's in it, but I'm not sold. I don't like it. I like it okay, but it's not my favorite. I've been just using it all because I bought it and it's kind of a lot of foundation. I've just been trying to be a good steward and use this up, and it's now getting to the end. I don't have a ton left, and we're about to go to New York for Hillsong Conference in New York, and we're so excited. My husband and I are going to make a week of it and just vacation and relax and sightsee and not relax and have so much fun, and I'm so excited, but I'm nervous that I'm gonna run out of this while we're there. So I was like, I don't even know where to begin, honestly, with foundation. Except I have been following all of Tati's videos. I don't know if you've heard of Tati, but she is a beauty guru and I love her. I love all of her videos, and she's taught me a lot, and I've listened to a lot of her reviews on products, and I've purchased things because of her, and for the most part I've enjoyed the things that she's recommended, and this is one of them that she recommended. There are a lot of foundations that she does like, but that one that's affordable, that's like from the drugstore, that lasts all day, she says this one is a really good one. And every foundation and every makeup piece is different because we're all different. We have different skin, we're all different. You have to find the right products for you. And so I'm nervous to try this out, to be honest. Like, I don't know why. I'm not like a foundation, I wear foundation, but the majority of my life growing up, I didn't use foundation. I didn't really need to. My skin wasn't perfect, but I didn't have a ton of breakouts. That didn't happen to me often, unless it was like that time of the month or something. Sorry, boys. But overall, I haven't really needed to wear foundation. And I was probably like my mid-20s, and I was like, yeah, I think it's time for me to be wearing some makeup, because like I started to get some redness, like if you guys can see. After a while, it was like my face isn't looking as even as it used to, and I think it's just time, you know, like I'm not afraid of aging. I'm not afraid to get older, but yeah, I'm ready. This is It Cosmetics. It's Your Skin But Better. It's a CC Plus color correcting full coverage cream and anti-aging hydrating serum with SPF 50. I like it, but it's medium coverage. It's not full coverage, which is okay. I don't need it to be like another skin. I'm okay with my skin. Just a little bit of like let's even this out a little bit. So I'm going to talk and do my makeup, but I'm gonna try this out. I tried to match it up as much as I could. I'm a little nervous, and I'm nervous that it's not gonna be my color. The struggle is real. This is Maybelline Superstay foundation, 24-hour foundation, full coverage. So I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see it in this lighting. So here we go. Here goes nothing. Ooh, I just ripped it. So wait, now do I just pull up? Okay. It has a pump, which I like. This one has a pump as well. Okay, so I'm just gonna get started, and here goes nothing. I'm gonna pull my mirror a little closer. I hope that doesn't bother you. And I'm going to take out my nose ring. Okay, so what I am going to do is I'm going to test a little spot. I'm gonna just pump a little bit onto my finger and test it out. It's like it's very orangey. I'm nervous now. See, I tried to find one that blended in with with my skin here, because obviously you want your face and the rest of your body to match. That might be too thick. Okay, so I'm just gonna go for it, and I'm gonna kind of blend this out a little bit. I'm using a blender. I got it a little bit damp, and I'm just going to try and blend what I just put on my face in a little bit and see from there. I actually like it. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in. I am no beauty professional. Oh gosh, it's kind of orange. But I think it was Tati. I think somebody said that it oxidizes and it might not be the right color for me. Either that or it just needs to blend a bunch and then it will be. I don't know. I don't know, you guys. I don't know a ton about makeup, to be completely honest. I'm like kind of clueless. And I'm orange. I feel like an Oompa Loompa right now. This is really nerve-wracking to me and I don't know why. It's actually not that bad. I don't think. Is it awful, you guys? I can't tell. Why am I freaking out? One tip that Tati taught me was to go down your neck. You don't think that you need to go down your neck. Most people just kind of go here. Most people just do their like jawline and then they move on with life. If you have the right foundation, then maybe you won't see it. But a lot of times you don't have it just right, especially if your body and your face are two different colors, you know? Like you have to try and match. So I was hoping to try and match with my body rather than my face. I don't know, is that the right thing to do? I feel like it is, but maybe not. So it's definitely medium to full coverage. I'm not building it up to full, although I definitely can. It said that this was buildable, and a lot of people have given really good reviews on it. People say that it lasts all day long, and I would like a foundation that just stayed on my face. So dab down on the neck, don't go crazy, but just kind of blend it in, like more right here and then a little bit like blend it out down. That way it just marries into your skin nicely. And she also said to go up and on your ears. I feel like an Oompa Loompa. I don't know if the lighting's that great in here. I would turn on my lights, but then it's like I'm super yellow. So I would absolutely look like an Oompa Loompa. I didn't put on a primer. Oh well. I feel like an Oompa Loompa. Yes, I do. So I could probably have gone a little lighter. I might have just applied too much. Maybe I went super crazy on it. I don't know. I don't think it's bad. What do you guys think? Now it's over my face completely and I'm like, okay. So far I like it. I like how it went on. It went on nicely with the blender. Okay, so I really liked it. I truly liked this foundation. I almost called it mascara. It went on beautifully. It feels nice on my face. It blended nicely. It covered up. I mean, I feel like it's a little bit more coverage than this, but roughly it's the same. Like I can still see some of my freckles and stuff, so it doesn't like cover it up completely, and I'm okay with that. But if I were to go over it again, it's possible that it would. Dude, I look orange in my mirror. I look orange. Oh my gosh, I look orange. Do I look orange to you guys? Can you tell at all? Do you see anything? I like this. I like it a lot. I hope that it's my color, but I'm open to purchasing one that is my color if it's not, and trying it out with the right color. I'm going to wear it all day. I'm going to see how it feels tonight. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not doing anything. I'm just packing actually for New York. Cameron's parents are going to come over and hang out for a little bit, and we're just going to hang. But I really like it. I like how it went on. I like how it sits on my face. It doesn't feel like I'm wearing anything. It's light. I'm not a big fan of the color. It's a very orange undertone, but it's not awful, and this might just be the wrong lighting, so I'm going to see. Hi. Okay, it is 11 o'clock at night. 11:05. Can you guys see that? It's 11:05 p.m. on Friday, July 27th. That's when I made this video. And I am still wearing my foundation. I just looked in the mirror a minute ago and I am so pleasantly surprised. I like it. It feels good. And I don't feel as Oompa Loompa-y as I did initially. I think that the color kind of really toned down. It hasn't felt itchy. It hasn't felt cakey. It feels really light. Doesn't even feel like I'm wearing anything. Overall, I'm really pleased and I am actually happy that I got this foundation, except the color. I'm still just on the hesitant side with the color. Thank you guys for hanging out with me today. It was really fun to do my makeup and to do my foundation, really. You guys didn't see my entire face get put on. But I had fun. It was fun to try a new makeup, and I don't normally try new foundations. I never try new foundations. And also, if you haven't yet, please subscribe. I love spending time with you guys. I love making these videos. I'm having such a blast. I make a video every Friday. Thanks for all your support. I am so happy that you're here. I'm so happy to be here. Follow me on Instagram. I do Insta stories a lot. So follow me on Insta, follow me on Facebook. I have all the links below, and I will see you guys next Friday. Bye.